one.
Okay.
It's right in the front right there. That's where they drop you off and that's where they pick you up.
Yeah, they must have changed it.
Yeah.
But there ain't nothing to call them to see.
You can get a schedule. Yeah, get one of them schedules.
Schedule, yeah.
Matter of fact, when they ride through here, I might stop them and get one.
And they
for you.
come 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
It's just a little slower. That's the only
It's a little
thing.
slower,
I
but
want to lose money than be sitting there for hours. I'm good. Shit. Same thing quality, right? You gotta spend more for good than spend less for bad, right?
Yeah, I mean,
See? Exactly.
you pay the $8. You pay the $8 and you get here 15 minutes earlier than the bus. When you pay the $150, you know, you be a 15
like
minutes.
throwing up. Oh my gosh.
Depends on
how fast you moving.
how you want to be there.
Yeah,
How
see,
fast
I'm